Do you know what's this? Yes, it's kitchen wrap. It's a clear sheet that whenever you do the microwave to heat up any food, you will use this to cover the plate, and then you can just cut to protect your dish from microwave heat. A Splatter Guard from Best Wrap. I bought this from Macy's because it was a good deal right now. So basically, in the center here is a glass, and right here it's a silicone. So it's more healthier than the plastic wrap. I'm going to do a review on this item. Warm looking shape. So instead of I'm using the plastic wrap to heat up from the microwave, from today I can just simply cover it and then microwave inside of my microwave. This one is actually kind of very big, so I wonder if I can fit inside of my microwave. Let me try. Top, it's about this big, very big actually. My microwave, let me see if it will fit inside. See, it's pretty giant. Okay, so will it turn? Okay, it still can microwave. Can use it. So basically it covers the entire plate inside the microwave here. It will cover entire thing, but the plate will still move around inside this red here. See, covers the entire plate. I'm going to do more detail here. On the left corner of the package it says shatterproof and collapsible. Yes, it can fold from this shape to this shape. That's very good. Here it says BPA free and non-toxic. Okay, here's my worry by itself. It says fit most compact microwaves. So if you have compact microwaves, it should be okay. And on the back side of the package it says made of fine silicone for easy bending and removal. Protect against food splatter, built-in steam vents, heat food evenly. That's really cool. Here's a measurement. So the diagram is 10.5 inch. If you want to keep your food fresh and non-plastic chemical into your food, I suggest you get this